What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300. Guys, this bike's pretty cool. It's a 2014. I think it's going to be around like $3,200 for this bike. It's a pretty nice bike. It's got some cool upgrades. It's got a Kaufman exhaust, but it has definitely been used. It's got a special edition right down to this. It's got, you know, some scratches right there. You can see those on the plastics. Tires look good. Let's see. You know, the plastics look good. I mean, most guys who have these bikes are beginners, and so sometimes I'm a little leery. You know, if they dropped it or something, it looks like he's got the green levers. But it doesn't really change anything else. So it doesn't look like he put the levers on there to, like, because he's trying to hide something that they dropped it. I'm gonna get some scratches. It's not that big of a deal, guys. It's 2014, but I would look more at the mileage. I mean, this isn't, I don't think you're going to buy one of these bikes to be a show bike. You're going to buy this bike because you really want to get into riding. And it's a good-looking, reliable bike. It's a very inexpensive way to start. And if you drop it, it's a very inexpensive way to not worry about it. It's got there on the tank. It does have a new back seat on it. We put that on there because the other one was plasti-dipped green. For some reason, kind of like the pegs are. If you can see that, they're plasti dipped green. I don't know. I mean, it's whatever your cup of tea is. It's a little humid. It's like humid in here today. It's got 17,000 on it. Runs like a beast though. Fires up right away, guys. It's off. That little bike, we actually traded it in. A guy was trading up for a different bike we had in our inventory. And you got a pretty good bike. I just want you to note there is like a little bit of a scuffing back in there, if you can see that. But yeah, like I said, there's some blemishes on the bike. Not a huge deal, guys. You can kind of see where some of the plastic rubbed against there, or the plasti dip. Like we pulled the plasti dip off of here, and you can kind of see it under the seat a little bit. If you really want to, you know, pop all the plastics off and completely take it off the plasti dip, I think it's paint thinner, removes all of it pretty easily. You just kind of wipe it off. So that's a super easy way to do it. Guys, 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300. It's a good first starter bike, guys. Honestly, I like riding these things. They're super light, super nimble. You can whip them around. And honestly, I mean, unless you're, you know, just absolutely crushing it on the highway at speeds you can't talk about, this has plenty of power. It's a fun bike, guys. Let us know if it's something you're interested in. It's not going to last long, guys. These are great beginner bikes, and with springtime rolling around, all those new riders out there are going to love these bikes. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the Patreon page. We're going live every Wednesday. And also, too, make sure to check out bikesandbeards.com and bikesandbeardsgear.com and the Bikes and Beards channel. Thanks for watching, guys.